Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel WizzardSammy. In this quick video I want to show you how you can install XAMPP on your computer and set up your own WordPress page. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do, we want to go to the Xampp and WordPress websites and download both of these programs. So we click this button, it will say successful and download it. Then we head to the WordPress website, it's called wordpress.org, and download the version WordPress 5.4 as you can see here. So I already did that and I already installed the program Xampp. The installation is nothing really special, you have to just click it through. Then we head on to the Xampp folder where we installed it, open it up and head into the htdocs folder. That's very important. That's the folder where we wanna install our WordPress file. So I already got here my download WordPress file, so we hit right click and say extract the data. Extract here. So it's extracting the WordPress program, and we just go ahead, copy and paste or drag and drop that WordPress file, that WordPress folder into this htdocs folder. As you can see here, I already did that, so you don't have to wait. Then after that we want to we want to start our Xampp control panel. So it started, and please make sure your Apache and MySQL both are running. If they both are running, that's great. So we can head right back into our browser and type in, as you can see up there, localhost php myadmin. If we are in this control panel here, we say we want to create a new database and can name that database whatever we want. For example, database underscore test or test database. So then we hit the create button. We got a brief message that the database was created, as you can see here. After that, we open a new browser window and type in localhost / WordPress or whatever that's very important, whatever you call that folder in your htdocs folder of the WordPress installation, you gotta name that folder up here. So we say that's the WordPress folder, and we hit enter, load that page, and here we are on the installation window of our WordPress page. So we say let's get started. Our database name is the name of the database we just created. So in our case it's db testbase, and we type it in here, db test database. Sorry for that. For username, it's always set to default on your local computer. That's called root. The password is always blank. The database host and our table prefix, we can leave it just like that. It doesn't really matter. So we click on send and on install. So the installation will start. We choose our title for the website. We call it test website for YouTube. Oh my god, today I can't really fucking type. Our username doesn't really matter. Our password is in this case test123. Yes, we state that this is a weak password. Then I will type in my email address and say that this site shouldn't be visible for the Google index. and we hit install WordPress. So it will load really quickly and install WordPress. As you can see, the installation was successful. We can hit sign in with our username and the password we just created. Hit sign in or login, and here we are, and have our beautiful WordPress website. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and a subscribe here on my channel, and we see us next time.